Hey, Cleveland 13 News. Yes, you can email me at theworldsgreatestroofer@gmail.com. Theworldsgreatestroofer@gmail.com. That is my email. Just like my name, and then the world's greatest roofer. I'm in downtown Tampa, Florida, right across the street from City Hall. City Hall is right here in front of me. And yeah, this has been a crazy night. This wind just started in the past probably hour and a half, and that's the Tampa Police Department right here in front of me. Let's get a better vantage point here. We got all the news crews over here hanging out. How's it going, guys? CBS here. Guys want to go stand in the middle of the road. Oh, you see that catch? Oh shit, okay. I'm standing in the middle of the street down here right now. Standing in the middle of the street down here right now. Holy shit. Oh, this is normal weather, 115 miles an hour. Yeah, this is normal. Any updates on Lieutenant Dan? I'm not sure. If you guys want to follow me, I do this often, every hurricane. That's what I do, besides make cool videos and have a pretty awesome family. But you guys want to go around the block real quick? Let's go around the block. Let's see what's going down. This is a CBS News truck right here. Thank you, Bay. Starting to get a lot of water over here on this side. Oh yeah, the storm surge is starting to come in. Holy crap, I didn't know that. Here comes the storm surge right here. Oh yeah, here it comes. That's the storm surge coming from the river. Holy crap. There's an electric line or something flying around in the water. All the water's starting to fill the street in downtown Tampa right now. Share this live for me. Share this live, guys. You see the water coming up here in downtown? I wasn't expecting to come around the corner and see all this water. Well, I'm right here by the river. I'm right here by the Tampa Bay, right by Tampa General Hospital, downtown Tampa. Thank you guys for following me. I appreciate it. Holy crap, those waters is getting deeper and deeper and deeper. Look how deep it is. I'll show you how. My foot's underwater right now. See how deep my foot is in the water? It's coming up quick. Thank you guys for tapping that screen for me. Please share this live so other people can see it. All the craziness going on. Holy crap. That was crazy. That was a big gust of wind. Hey Lilith, thank you for saying what's up. All this water still filling. Oh shit. Here comes another one. See how deep the water is out here. I'm in the middle of the street. It's up to my top of my boots. Oh shit. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for following me. I died for a second. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna walk back up here. Fucking soaking ass wet. I am in downtown Tampa, right across the street from the Tampa City Hall building. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and following me. I appreciate it. You are following me. No, I'm not the greatest storm chaser, but do you see the sky light up? It's exploding because power boxes are exploding. Yeah, the surge is coming. I apologize. I'll get the wind. Woo! We're gonna go back down here to the other corner where the flooding is occurring. You guys want to see something crazy? Want to see something crazy? I'm in downtown Tampa. Downtown Tampa. Keep tapping that screen. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Keep tapping that screen. My hat keeps trying to come off. Share this live so other people can see. I'm in downtown Tampa as the storm surge is starting to come up. No, it's not. It's just a camera wire. It's just a camera wire. The camera on the corner there. Oh, it doesn't seem too bad? Yeah, it's fucking just about a foot of flood in the middle of the street here. Oh, it's not too bad. I'm in downtown Tampa, getting my ass whooped. Let me turn it around so you guys can see me for a second. What's up, guys? Long time no see. Glad you guys are watching. I'm going to turn it back around here in just a second so you guys can keep watching. I just figured I'd say thank you so much for being here and always supporting us whenever we're storm chasing like this. We are extreme weather chasers who are experts in our field. We do this for a living so that we can show that insurance companies, when they refuse to pay for damages that occur in extreme weather like this, that shit really does happen like we say it does. Insurance companies are the devil. Thank you, guys. I'm going to flip it back around, though. I appreciate you. Thank you for the duck. Appreciate it. Thank you for being the title gifter. He's on the news right there. I didn't even see him. Thank you for the gift, guys. You don't have to do that, but it really helps out a lot. We spent a lot of money doing this. Let's see what we got here. We got another clogged gutter. Let's clear this gutter. Let's clear it so the water can go down. There we go. Cleared it out. I'm gonna go back down to the other block again. Seems like all the news channels are taking on my spot. They don't know that there's 35,000 people watching this live right now, more than what's watching their news channel. Thank you guys for being here with me. Hey, Jen, thank you. gonna play in the middle of the street here. Right in the middle of downtown Tampa. Red light, red light, red light. Woo! Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for those hearts. All of you guys are awesome as hell. Thank you for all the follows. You guys make this worth it, and I really appreciate you. Thank you for sharing this. I'm in downtown Tampa. Downtown Tampa. This isn't a power line. It's a camera. There's a camera at the top of the building there. Oh, there's a tree down over in the street. I didn't even see the tree fall. The tree fell in the street over here. Woo! I'm in downtown Tampa, right across the street from City Hall. Thank you for the gifts, guys. I'm in downtown Tampa. No, I'm a professional hurricane chaser. This is what I do. I'm not going inside, guys. Fuck. Let's see if we can get to 1 million likes, guys. Let's see if we can't get to 1 million likes. Tap that screen. Thank you for the gifts. Keep tapping, guys. It's a week. Oh, okay. It's a week, huh? Wait until that water starts coming up. Okay, it's weak. I just love all the people that are sitting at home saying that this is a weak storm and nothing's happening. But if you've seen the damage that I've seen today, I saved a couple kids' lives a few minutes ago. You'll hear about it on the news later. But there were 2 kids and a dad stranded right along the river, and we stopped and picked them up and drove them home so that they could get out of there before the river raised. We're not just doing this for fun. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Tap that screen, guys. Tap that screen. We're almost at 1 million, guys. Thank you for tapping so much. A lot of damage over here. Holy crap, look at that. I'm gonna go back up. Can we get to 2 million likes? Keep tapping that screen. Holy crap, look at that. Hola, mi amor. I see you. Hopefully the boys are watching too. Holy shit. Keep sharing this live. Keep sharing this live. Share it, share it, share it. Thank you, David. Tap that screen, tap that screen. Holy crap. Hey, somebody share this to my Facebook if you don't mind. Somebody share it. Whoa, fuck! The whole street sign just fell off. Damn, this is blowing away. Holy shit. Crap, look at that. Holy shit. Fucking everything's flying. All the roofs are like just getting destroyed right now. Holy crap. I'm in downtown Tampa. Downtown Tampa. Every time I leave, like, every time I want to go back, something happens and I want to stay there. Woo! What a crazy night. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and enjoying my passion of helping others by showing them what's really going on out here. So I'm going to flip it back around again. We got some action. gifts, guys. We are at 2.1 million likes. See, the news is right there. Look how it turned over the paper box. Keep sharing this live, guys. Keep sharing this live. What news channel is this? That's ABC behind me. That's ABC right there. I'm going to be on the ABC News at 12:30 tonight. ABC News at 12:30 tonight. I am not going home. That's in Denver, Colorado. David Muir from the presidential debate is upstairs. I've seen him several times today. He's in the parking garage. Your son's in Denver? I don't know where Dan is. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Keep tapping. Kind of calm down there for a second. I gotta fix my boots here for a second. What the fuck was that? That was loud, whatever it was. Let's go to beautiful night. It's a beautiful night. I feel like it's calming down a little bit. I'm wondering if we're in the middle of the eye or something, because it's kind of calm. I mean, it looks like it's blowing, you know, to you guys but it's really not blowing as hard as what it was earlier. Woo! Can anybody tell me what it looks like on the radar right now? I can't see my radar. They said it's right over top of us in downtown Tampa. I'm in downtown Tampa right now. I'm gonna go around the news here. Y'all keep telling me to go home. Love you too, mamacita. Te amo mucho. Wet as fuck. Let's put this camera around and say hi. Woo! It's a crazy night out here, man. Thank you, Your Shield, for doing this for us, and thank you, Huggins Law, for allowing us to be out here with everybody else. You guys can see the weatherman right there on the news. So, yep. I can't go indoors. How am I supposed to film? Thank you guys so much for being here and following me. Hit that follow button if you're not. I'm going to turn this camera back around so we can see what's going down. I won't call it quits until daylight. There's going to be some people that are going to need some help in just a few hours, and we're going to go out and help them. There you go, that's a good angle. Oh shit, there we go. Keep tapping that screen, keep sharing this live. My wife, Cotty B, is in Denver at home, taking care of our kids. I've got 3 kids at home with her. I'm gonna head down the block again. I know you guys don't like it when I do this, but I'm going down the block. I'm running like Lieutenant Dan. Thank you guys for following me. All right, guys, I'm gonna head over to, oh, I can't head over to Facebook. I'm gonna stay right here. Can't go inside. I'm a storm chaser. How am I supposed to go inside? There it goes again. This is this line is connected to a camera and it's broken. I've been standing under it all night. Fuck, here it comes again. There's going to be a lot of damage. There's going to be a lot of damage. The water is starting to get cold. I mean, the rain is probably just because I'm getting cold. I got the wrinkly fingers, but I'm okay right now. I'm okay. Scotty, are the boys watching? Pin that comment if they're watching. I'm in downtown Tampa. This is Tampa City Hall right here. Tampa City Hall right here. I'm right here next to the bell tower. That's the bell tower in downtown Tampa. Right over there is Tampa Police Department. I passed by Tampa. I just... Okay, I see you. I see you, Cotty. Alright, going back. You know what? You guys want me to run across the street again? I'm in downtown Tampa, Florida. Downtown Tampa, Florida. No, Cotty is my wife. Fucking blowing. Keep tapping that screen. Keep tapping that screen. Holy fuck. I'm okay. There we go. Keep tapping that screen. We're almost at 3 million. We're almost at 3 million likes. Keep tapping that screen. Thank you, Australia. I saw you. What other countries are watching? What other countries are watching me live right now? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's coming from behind right now. Holy shit, it's hard to walk. Almost at 3 million, guys. Woo! Thank you, St. Louis. St. Louis. Almost at 3 million likes, guys. Keep tapping that screen. We're almost there. There we go. 3 million. We did it. Thanks, guys. Brazil, Ukraine, UK. We've had just under 800,000 people watch us live. 800,000 people. Shit. Oh, fuck. This is downtown Tampa. Whew. Let me have a breather for a minute. Kind of calm down for just a second. Sheesh. Doesn't look that bad because it's maybe you haven't been watching for the past hour, but we've had over 100-mile-an-hour winds multiple times during this live. It's actually starting to calm down. That is correct right this minute, but it could just be because the eye of the storm has passed over top of us. And it could be just dying down. Here it comes again. Here it comes again. Maybe I spoke too soon. Alright guys, this live. I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Oh, here we go again. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off.